This is your Windows Server 2003. I got the IP address of this operating system is 10.0.0.1. Just check with the ping command in the Windows XP. 10.0.0. We have the reply. That means we are communicating with the things. Okay, now about the hacking in the CMD. What is the purpose of this? Like go for shutdown space -I. This is a command.
It's my pleasure to present something in front of you. Just now we have said, like Mr. Harsh have presented ethical hacking. What is ethical hacking? What is security? And what is CCN exactly? And it is important for you to make a career. We are here to help you, not exactly help you. We cannot say we are here to help you also, but we'll facilitate you to put your step, put your म्हणजे तुमचं पाऊल जे आहे उद्या एक नव्या जगामध्ये ठेवायला तुम्ही तयार आहात. सो मेनी थिंग्स होते, म्हणजे इतक्या टेक्नॉलॉजी आहेत, इतकं बऱ्याच गोष्टी आहेत. अँड इट्स ग्रेट. लाईक मी हर्षसाठी परत एकदा मी असं म्हणेल की तुम्ही मिस्टर हर्ष जे ट्रेनर आहेत त्यांच्यासाठी परत एकदा तुम्ही एकदा लेट्स क्लॅप फॉर हिम. ओके, नाव मला असं सांगायचं की आता तुम्ही इकडे वारणानगर असेल किंवा कोल्हापूर असेल असं असेल, तर जेव्हा तुम्ही एकदा विचार करता की मी टेक्नॉलॉजी कुठल्या टेक्नॉलॉजी अपग्रेड होऊ किंवा कुठल्या टेक्नॉलॉजीसाठी मी जाऊ शकतो, आपल्याला ट्रेडिशनली 2-3 टेक्नॉलॉजीज माहिती आहेत की बाबा एक जावा आहे, .NET आहे, सॉफ्टवेअर टेस्टिंग आहे, पर्टिक्युलरली आहे. पण जेव्हा आपण सर्टिफिकेशनचा विचार करतो, सर्टिफिकेशन आज काय इम्पॉर्टंट आहे, मला सांगा सर्टिफिकेशन म्हणजे इंटरनॅशनल सर्टिफिकेशन बद्दल किती जणांना माहिती आहे? हाऊ मेनी पीपल नोज दॅट की व्हॉट international certification is a thing is valid in this room? 2 or 3 peoples? Yes? That's it. I think you people are using internet, you know the things, you have such an institute, you are studying with, and you don't know what the certification? That's statements. I'll explain you what is the international certification. Basically international certification is the thing, whatever Mr. Harsh has explained. These are the technologies, MCP, Microsoft technologies, .NET technologies, and these technologies we are working here with the technologies. But my universities may be Kolhapur University, माझी युनिव्हर्सिटी पुणे युनिव्हर्सिटी असेल, कुठली युनिव्हर्सिटी असेल, पण मी जेव्हा उद्या जॉबसाठी जाईन, सपोज आय मे गो फॉर द जॉब ॲट नोएडा, दिल्ली, ठीक आहे, तिथपर्यंत कोल्हापूर युनिव्हर्सिटीला ओळखतात, किंवा त्याच्या पुढे मी जाईन कुठेतरी मे बी साऊथमध्ये जाईन, तिथे ओळखतात कोल्हापूर युनिव्हर्सिटीला. बट वेन यू आर गोईंग आउट अब्रॉड युअर कंट्री, सो हाऊ मेनी पीपल आर नोज अबाउट द कोल्हापूर युनिव्हर्सिटी? माहिती आहे का त्यांना की पुणे किंवा कोल्हापूर युनिव्हर्सिटी काय आहे? देअर इंटरनॅशनल सर्टिफिकेशन रोल स्टार्ट्स. मी मायक्रोसॉफ्ट सर्टिफाईड आहे, मला मायक्रोसॉफ्टचं माझ्याकडे सर्टिफिकेशन आहे. का तर मायक्रोसॉफ्टने माझी एक्झाम घेतलेली आहे, ऑनलाईन एक्झाम घेतलेली आहे, आणि माझ्याकडे मायक्रोसॉफ्टचं सर्टिफिकेट आहे. आय एम द ऑथोराइज्ड ट्रेनिंग ऑथोराइज्ड युजर टू यूज द मायक्रोसॉफ्ट टेक्नॉलॉजीज इन ऑल ओव्हर द वर्ल्ड. दॅट्स द मेन. आय हॅव अ स्टॅम्प ऑफ दॅट थिंग. म्हणजे तुम्हाला त्याचं कार्ड मिळतं. सेकंडली तुम्हाला एक सर्टिफिकेट मिळतं जे की युनिक, जसं आता यांनी सांगितलं की यांच्याकडे MCP ह्याच्यासाठी CCNP साठीचा एक पर्टिक्युलर 21,000 असा नंबर आहे. म्हणजे ओनली 21,000 पीपल आर सर्टिफाईड इन दॅट. सो असं होतं की म्हणजे पुणे मुंबईकडे किंवा कुठल्या जिकडे जास्त ITचं एक क्षेत्र आहे तिकडून काय होतं की people used to know every time, like people used to know every time ki baba these are the certifications available, there are so many institutes who are offering the international certification, and this is the pioneer. We are at Kerox is a pioneer in international certification training and examination. So you start with this thing. When you start with the training, see your curriculum, your regular curriculum, your college curriculum is not sufficient for the industry. That is what, this is the main thing. Your university curriculum is not sufficient. Even Pune University doesn't have the Linux program. So when you go for the interview, you give an interview, they ask about the what is the exactly the Linux, what are the technical things you want to cover. So what you will tell? So basically like the Kerox, like a Kerox like a institute, or Kerox like a company who are in a sense 1992 in this market. Since 1992 means what is the 1992 significance? 91 मध्ये काय झालं होतं? काय झालं होतं 91 मध्ये? Let me check your general awareness. काय झालं होतं 91 मध्ये? म्हणजे जो आता 17 वर्षाचा तो 91 मध्ये जन्म घेतला असेल त्याने, असं काय? किंवा जो 18 वर्षाचा असेल, ठीक आहे. 91 मध्ये काय झालं होतं? ग्लोबलायझेशन असा काही वर्ड ऐकलं? हॅव यू हर्ड अबाउट द ग्लोबलायझेशन? नॉट? You don't know about the globalization? Yes? You know about the globalization. आता आपण सेलफोन्स यूज करतोय एवढे. We are using the cell phones, kind of technologies we are using, kind of softwares we are using, because we are getting that software technologies in a very less you can say in a less price, and we can access to everything. We can easily go to abroad. We can import anything with very lesser amount. So that's called the globalization. म्हणजे आपण म्हणतो की जग असं जवळच चाललं. That process started in 1991. या प्रोसेसमध्ये बऱ्याच कंपन्यांनी भारतामध्ये इन्व्हेस्टमेंट करायला सुरुवात केली. इन्व्हेस्टमेंट झाली, नवीन एक टेक्नॉलॉजीज आल्या, नवीन कॉलेजेस आले, नंतर मग बीपीओ झाले. व्हॉट इज बीपीओ? बिझनेस प्रोसेस आउटसोर्सिंग. व्हेरी गुड. What is KPO? Very good. What is LPO?
Legal process outsourcing.
That's good. Who's that? Yeah, please stand up. What's your name?
Yogesh.
Okay, how many people knows what is LPO? Only 2 or 3 people. That's called the general awareness, or that's called the awareness. Let's clap for him. That's very good. He knows the LPO. It's a very new concept. LPO means what? Legal process outsourcing. Legal lawyers. म्हणजे आतापर्यंत आपण म्हणतो की LLP, if somebody has an LLP, he can just be a lawyer. But through this LPO, he can be a part of world. Like that, wherever the IT industry concerned, it's terrific. It's emergent. It can be used even in this college. It can be used in some small cyber cafe. It can be used anywhere. That's all. So now today I just want to convey you the basic thing, that is what is a .NET exactly. Just now we heard about the CCNA, we heard about the ethical hacking, no security, but exactly the .NET, what is the .NET exactly? It's a Microsoft product. .NET, when we cover the .NET, you know about the .NET, maybe you are studying with the .NET, but maybe I don't know how many people are aware, but .NET is a MCTS, Microsoft is taking one international certification exam, that is Microsoft Certified Technology Specialist. There are 3 papers in that, and you can cover all 3 papers, and after that you can be a .NET professional. What is exactly the, maybe you know the Java is there and .NET is there. What is the significance of Java and .NET? If one people can explain me what is the significance, what is the main thing? This is the Java and this is the .NET. कोण सांगू शकता? Yes. You're having for your curriculum, right? I na. You don't know what is exactly Java and .NET? Not exactly. Yes, one person. Anyway. Okay. Tell me 5 movies which are releasing in next week. Yeah. 5 movies releasing next week. That also you don't know? Great. Now we'll move on to the next session, that is what exactly the Java and .NET differs exactly. In 2 other technologies we can make a websites. These 2 are technologies just for the sake of competition. Java is one technology and .NET is another technology. These two technology is just a competition. It's like a Sun ने एक product लाया तो सब Microsoft is having a separate product. It's just like that. These are the 2 products. So basically .NET, we are covering 3 international certification exam, which will cover you all 3 papers, that is ASP.NET, Windows-based client development, your VB script, and basically the Windows like framework. This 3 certification, after completing certification, you will get a type of MCTS, that is Microsoft Certified Technology Specialist. And this will enhance you. Like when you talk about the Xerox, exactly in Kerox, what the certification oriented